So I said to him, have you ever tried a wet pull? Huh? What the f***'s a wet pull? Just the other day I was talking through a repair with one of my students. It was a fairly large soft dent and I was explaining the benefits of using cold glue to quickly reduce the large soft damage to a more manageable size. Now unfortunately my student doesn't currently have a cold glue, so I said to him, have you tried a wet pull? His response was, what the f*** is a wet pull? So that gave me the idea to do a quick video explaining what a wet pull is and when to use it in your PDR repairs. So traditionally with a hot glue repair, we're looking for maximum adhesion. We're monitoring the temperature, the curing time, and we really want that tab to stick to the panel to give us as much force as possible when it comes to pulling out the dent. But when it comes to using cold glue or a wet pull, that's not what we're trying to do. We're looking for minimal resistance, minimal adhesion onto the panel. You want just enough to start pulling the panel out gently, but for the tab to pull off fairly easily. Now when this is done correctly, you may end up with a bit of glue on the tab and a bit of glue on the panel, or perhaps that stringy melted glue kind of in between. And that's what we're going for when it comes to doing a wet pull. It's a great way to quickly reduce large damage softly, just as we do with cold glue, but without causing any unnecessary high spots in that repair area. So let me know in the comments below if you've heard the term wet pull or if you've already tried it in your PDR repairs. I really hope you've enjoyed this video, and as always, I'll see you in the next.